Hello, welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make stock department in ELBS ERP. Go to Stock. Click on Maintain Department. This is your existing department listing. Click on New. Click on the Add button. Then the system will issue a department code automatically. But if you want to issue a department code manually, you can type it here. You can add a letter. Type a department name. Click on Load Default Accounts. If you want to check, after Save New, a new record will be started automatically. But if you don't want that, you can uncheck it. Click on the Save button. Your record saved successfully. Click OK. Click on the Browse button. You can see your new department over here. Thanks for watching.